Hey Mavens, this is Sherelle. I want to show you how to create and host a mystery hostess event on Facebook. So today I'm going to take you through a step-by-step process on how to create the event. Just follow along with me and pause if you need more time. Also, we would like to thank Sharon Stark for bringing this awesome tool to our attention. Step 1. Go to your homepage on Facebook. Step 2. Select events on the Explore options. These are the options on the left side of the screen. Step 3. Select Create Event. A new screen will pop up. Select the Create Private Event button. Step 4. Adding a photo to your event is easy by clicking on the Upload Photo or Video link. It will pop up your computer file so you can select your own photo. If you would like to add a stock photo from the website, you will need to download it from the website page and then select the photo from your downloads file. Contact Maven Support if you have any trouble with the download. Step 5. You will fill out the rest of the details for your event below the photo. Start by naming your group. You will want to include your name and the title of the event so everyone knows that you are the host for this particular event. Since this is purely an online event, select Online Event Box. This will bring up another option bar called Event Format. Select the bar for a drop-down menu, and then select the link option. Then add your sales link here. Please skip the location bar. Next, you will create a description of the event. Make sure to include the current party code and you're titled as an independent Maven. Afterwards, you're going to select the starting and ending times for the event. So put however long you want the party/event to last here. Quick tip, you can leave an event open for longer than 7 days if you change the party code out after the party expires. Co-hosting is completely optional. Add their Facebook name to the bar. But only customers may co-host, not Mavens. After that, you're going to want to select the button at the bottom of the menu titled Create Private Event. Step 9. We're almost there. The event is now created, and it's time to do the inviting. Click the Invite button. A new menu will pop up with all of your contacts/friends. This allows you to tag your friends in the event. After you have everyone in the event that you want, select the Send Invites button. Step 10. The final step is to go and change everyone's status to Going instead of Invited. On the second section where you see your invite's profile pictures, click on the words Going, Maybe, Invited. A new menu will appear with the 4 tabs named Going, Maybe, Invited, and Can't Go. Select the Invited tab. Select the drop-down option titled Invited next to every person's name. Change their status to Going. This will help them to be able to see updates from the group and will guide them to the group more quickly. This is especially helpful for friends that aren't on Facebook as often or don't check their notifications as often. Don't worry, your friends can change their status or leave the group entirely at any point if they choose to. All you have done is give them the best way to find the group. Congratulations! You have finished creating your event. We hope this will give you one more way to succeed with True Love Skincare. Remember to love first, then educate, and sell.